morning to all present here. This morning is a very precious for me because I got a chance to speak something. Myself Radhananda Linga. I am a student of D. Pharm second year Arts and Jadhav College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I shall give my views about today's topic is Delhi education model suitable for the country. So first, all of we discuss about what is education or college education. We should know the vital word education. It is a all-round development of our body, mind, and spirit. So education is a continuous reconstruction of experience which made a man a good character and useful to the society for a living, for a complete living. Education is more useful, and education is not a compressive. It starts in the life and also ending it, and to acquire it, every person wants a system and surrounding to this topic is based on it. The educational department of government of Delhi is a premier body which looks education after children from their age 6 to 14 needs education, compulsory needs education, and the 25% schools are up there is a reserved for lower class and privileged children, and the education is based on primary, secondary, and tertiary level, which is fully developed of Delhi, and the other institutions and the variety of schools are presented in Delhi. The educational department of Delhi, the educational system is give to much more exposures to their children, and the rate of literacy of Delhi is 86.3%, and with 90.1% male and 89.0% female. That's why the Delhi is a suitable atmosphere to give the scope of student and the development of inner quality of the children. And so that I agree to this topic. Is Delhi suitable? Is Delhi education model suitable for the country? And it also needs the